Yo, Dr. 8. Are you again? Sure no, so me give you a little bit of ratings one day and you forward again a disrespect bounty killer. Dr. 8? You talk about your rate bounty killer. You don't rate bounty, you eat bounty. You understand? Because you are talk about say bounty killer if you go join church and this and that. Church is good. I knock that, you understand? Because even me go to church too. You see me, but me hear you say bounty killer I drink Chinese Hennessy. Oh, you know bounty killer I drink Chinese Hennessy, Dr. 8? Tell me. Let me sit down. Sit down. Tell me something now. Dr. 8. Oh, you know bounty killer I drink Chinese Hennessy. Yesterday at night time when bounty them a party, if you know say bounty I drink Chinese Hennessy. More you come out and tell the public them where you have against bounty killer. You understand? But me have an idea still. What happen? I true bounty killer burn out the rainbow and burn out the bowcat them, which you is one of them. And Dr. Love, you eat the buff like it's a burger yam. Or if you have a 4 burger mouth, I want to come talk to bounty killer youth. Go look your little quabs them if you go argue with. You can't argue with people like bounty killer. You understand? You talk about bounty killer look whole and mash up. Compare you to bounty killer. Look at you, yo. You can't compare to bounty killer, my youth. You understand? Come back a clout here look. Come back a clout here look, Dr. 8. You understand? You understand? You know what you need? You need one of them steel brush them for your teeth them on your mouth. You get out them 4 burger juice the out of your mouth, youth. You understand? You know, in a bounty killer levels, none at all never qualify to call bounty killer name. You understand? So go shut your pum pum mouth, man. You understand? And relax yourself, yo. You see it?